Here's a quick look at how I've been using the Internet Archive extension to save content and share content to Facebook. The extension will look different depending on whether the screen has or the site has been captured. A little bit more about the extension. It is available for pretty much all the browsers that you'll probably use, and I'll include some links there. But basically, what you need to look at is what you'll be able to do is once the page has been captured, there's a link here that'll send it directly to Facebook. To ensure the page has been captured, most news sites that you hit probably will have been, but just in case, you can set the extension so that if ever you land on a page that has not yet been sent to the Internet Archive, it will automatically do so. And you might play around with some of these other settings, but this is the one that you probably want to hit. I also like this Wayback Machine count. That's what this number 1 is telling us here, that this has been saved one time. If you run into a page that's been saved multiple times, that number would increment right there. But here we are on a CBC website. It's been archived in the Wayback Machine or the Internet Archive, and so as soon as I hit this option to send to Facebook, it will launch Facebook, assuming you're logged in. And in just a moment, there we go. So it's the exact same content that you would have gotten and been able to share prior to Facebook blocking news sharing. And there it is. So the URL is going to be slightly different. It doesn't go to the CBC page, but it goes to the capture of the CBC page. Simple as that.